Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena once again, and today we're testing the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus and its video recording capabilities against the iPhone 14 Plus, two very popular models. So which one records better video? Let's find out. So right now as I'm walking, you should get a grasp of the video stabilization capabilities on these phones. Let's move a bit faster now. Alright. Do you see any differences in the video stabilization on the iPhone 14 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Plus? Alright, let's stop right here and just slowly pan the cameras up and down to see how they adjust to different lighting conditions like these brighter skies, and then switching over to the more shadowy areas. It should be a very gradual transition. That's what's nice to see. Alright, let's move further right here into this spot. Alright, now this is a slightly darker place, just a little bit darker, and also a bit narrower and tighter. So let's use the ultrawide cameras here, switching to the ultrawide cameras now. Alright, and do you see any difference in the ultrawide quality? Just again, slowly moving the cameras around so you get a better look at them. Maybe if we just step up a bit further in. Alright. Now let's switch back to the main cameras, and the next thing that we'll do is another test, this time for the zoom quality. So let me step away here. Now the iPhone does not have a dedicated telephoto camera, only the Galaxy has one. So right now switching to 3x zoom. We're at 3x zoom, and that's actually the maximum zoom level on the iPhone. It's really limited in this way, and it uses digital zoom. While the Galaxy can go all the way up to 12x zoom. So let's go to 12x zoom now, the maximum zoom level on the Galaxy. And you can see just a lot more detail probably right now on your phone because the Galaxy has that telephoto lens. Alright. And let's now switch back to the main cameras. And this, guys, will do it for this test. Do you see any differences? Which one do you prefer, the Galaxy or the iPhone? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.